Hey. Oh. Hey. Hey. Oh, Deborah, how's the wife? Hey.
Carson, yeah. Hey, Carson, where's your assistant?
Hey.
Wait.
What? What?
Damn it.
Hey there, guys. Today we're gonna be making some spaghetti. And you know what you need when you make some spaghetti? Some spaghetti.
Yeah.
This says faggy.
What the fuck's going on? What you guys got me watching right now?
Is this like a new revelation you had just now?
I never read that before. Okay, so when you make spaghetti, you need boil water. I like to use a pot. Some people... You gotta get water in it. Do you see it good?
He's recording the ceiling.
Why? Then you crank up the heat.
Fire!
Fuck off. Is there something you might want to add to that pot for it to heat up faster?
Got it. Oh, what is it?
He put bubbles in there.
Oh, here it
Diaper.
is. Lid. You put it on, the water get hotter.
You do the lid that. I don't think it'd be like that.
Hey, well, come on down. Gotta let my dog out.
You have a dog.
Oh well.
Some things take a while to get hot, like me.
What the fuck?
Shut up, Kyle.
Hold on.
Shut up.
I'm closing your swag bag.
I'm trying to do a thing. Back to me.
Back to memes.
So when the water starts to boil, you want to take the top off and add your spaghetti. It's not boiling yet, but they got bigger problems because my dog went back in. Walk with me.
I'll do teamwork. I unlocked the door. I think I just locked it. You test it. Did I?
What'd you do?
I twisted it to the right. That's teamwork. Hey. Lock your doors. Or the open window maniac is gonna get you.
Window. Soon we'll be ready back in action. Whew, it is hot in here. I'm gonna censor that audio.
Dude, we're not dead. You can't fucking censor me. I'll put you in the ground.
So when the water starts to boil, that's when you open your spaghetti box. This is half one because I already made half of it before. Because no one else eats this, so I make it in halves because it's all I can handle.
Give me a noodle.
No, give me a noodle.
No,
Why is
give
it
me a
like
noodle.
not open?
You're opening it from the other side, probably.
Someone put tape on it.
Probably you.
No.
You just said no one else eats it.
Give me a noodle.
Toss up a noodle and whoever catches it first is the victor. Is that how you like test the spaghetti? The spagoot?
You bitch.
Y'all can have one noodle. Why would you want that one?
I'm the victor because I got the full noodle.
Here I go!
Any regular spaghetti maker knows that this is horrible, so you gotta want to push it down some with your hands. Also, something resembling hands, and you just get it down a little bit, break it a bit, put someone in there. Piece missing, put it in there. And now we gotta set our timer. You're awfully close.
I'm sorry. Just want to get a good shot.
Get it for that good 10 minutes, cook it for that perfect al dente. It's nice and not crisp, nice and not... What are you even doing? And you just gotta pat it down some while it cooks. Just get it nice and good in there.
Oh, that looks nice. Shut the fuck up.
Here's a big one. Open up your spice cabinet full of rare valuables. And
I expected there to be more levels than just that.
And you put a little bit of salt in it. There we go. Just sprinkle it in there. Make sure I get some nice 3rd degree burns from the heat. Oh shit. One time I saw someone draw this girl, like I think making out with the Wendy's girl. It was pretty good art.
Listen to that sound.
Stop.
Oh no, here comes the mystery flying spaghetti stick.
When the timer hits about 3 and 2.5 minutes, it's a good time to open up your sauce.
Sauce. Sauce. Sauce. Stop doubting. Master sauce.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 7, 7, 1, 8, C, D, 4, chicken. This is so good. I think it's good. Take it, pop it off. Take a bit of crap on your... And then, it's garbage day. I almost missed.
Oh, that is nice.
Yeah.
I would eat that.
We've already taken care of
Quick, the alarm's gone off and my camera missed it because we're doing this really professionally. So quick, hit it off, hit the god.
Wait, I hit it on again.
Oh, you gotta hit it on low, you gotta hit it on low, gotta stir it up, get it out of here. It's
Hit the
gonna...
phone. Wait.
It's gonna... What?
Where is the strainer?
I gotta get it! Check it out, I'm working back around.
Oh, sorry guys, he went into the basement.
But I was... No! Oh my god! Did you just throw my Nutella?
I did.
Got it.
I was trying to get Emileo to shut up.
Why?
I just said why. Back to the cooking.
Okay. We gotta drain this pasta water.
Breathe out. Like you're taking a yoga class. My ex-wife is a bitch.
I'm just gonna get a good shot of this. There we go. And then we gotta take it over. We gotta bring this big old pot. There's still a lot of water. I lost one. And just take it over. Keep the heat on low. Get that pasta back in. Nice and good. Now we need the sauce. And if you don't do the sauce quickly, it'll turn out horrible. So let's get a good shot of this. Get a good zoom in. Ready? That's about half. And then we just get a good stir and look at it. Just cover all the spagargus. You get it faster? You get it slower? You good? Needs a little more. So you get a little more. Because really it wasn't half. It was more like 6/8. That was probably a bit too much. But it will suffice in these trying times. Yeah.
Oh.
Now we're cooking. Gonna put the lid back on. Gonna get that heat going so it gets all nice and toasty warm. All that good stuff. Now, we got this.
No.
Because there's too much sauce. I'm gonna sneeze. Oh, I hit the window.
Right into the spaghetti.
It's okay, we'll clean that. Next, just put that in there. Get the... Close it up to the refrigerator. We're almost done, but we just need something to eat our spaghetti in. That was loud. Spaghetti's looking good, bowl's looking good. It's time for moment of truth. Get that spaghetti in there. Nice. Perfect symmetrical. You just want to take your wood, get just a little bit back more.
Wario.
Look at that.
Ew, that's not a Krabby Patty I know, I think.
We're all clean, we're good. Just gotta get over here, and then we'll do a cut. And there you have it. You have spaghetti. There's dinner. This is dinner. Sometimes you just gotta make dinner. I enjoy dinner, so... Well, I don't have a fork, because I lost all of them, or something. My dog sneezed, so, I mean, let's just dive right in and just go and ready to go. Dear Lord, my forehead.
Why, yai, yai, yai.
Fuck, that was a plot.
Look at that dent you made. Look at the art.
Oh, that looks
What
like
kind of
someone's
fucking sanitary shit is this?
Ew, man, I hope y'all are eating.
And once you're done and you get your fork back from some weird gremlin thing, you just take a bite and dive right in. And once you're done and you get your fork
Son,
back
where
from
the
some
fuck
weird
is he
gremlin
getting
thing,
all
you
this
just take a
shit
bite
from,
and dive
man?
right in.
This is
And you get in there.
disgusting.
Mm, good.
Ew, I hope y'all aren't eating. Ew, man. Ew!
Wow. Tastes great. It's great. Could use some more sauce, so if you're a fan of sauce at home, never just like add some more. Don't get lost, you know. No. Wait. I know what this taco needs. Hold up.
Here I go. Wah.
So,
Oh my fucking god. Oh my god, I'm crying.
So, you guys ever see iCarly? Well, this is disgusting. Well, folks, that's how you make spaghetti tacos, I guess. It was good. I hope you enjoyed.
When is the video gonna end?
I'm gonna eat
Oh,
this.
fuck. Bro, if he eats that motherfucker, bro, I'm done watching. I'm done forever on YouTube. If he eats this shit, dude, I'm done forever on YouTube. Ever.
Yeah, do that.
You are now entering wing cap stage.